Hello guys, so today we are going to look how to code a replica of vending machine. So if you don't know, a few weeks ago I uploaded a video about a replica of vending machine in Python. In that video I showed how it works. So now I'm going to show how we can code it. So before you watch this video, please watch that video. I will share the link in the description. So let's get into the video. So first of all, since this programming is so long, I'm going to make it into two parts. So for the first part, we will do input coding and double confirmation coding. I will talk about this after that. So first of all, we need to do, normally in a vending machine, in the screen it will pop up, it will welcoming you, or it will say hello. So what we are going to do is, we are just going to print it. You can put anything which is hello or hello, hi, how are you. Don't put how are you. So for now we can just put hello, welcome to the vending machine. You can name the vending machine, you can add some stuff if you want. Okay, so now normally in the vending machine the code will be inside the setup, or in the button they will give the code. But in Python we don't have any hardware, we are just doing the software. So what we are going to do is, we just going to print the code. So to make it nicer, we make it new line, so we get some space between the first line and the second line. So we can just put Pepsi equals to 010. So for this coding I will just must be code. I will just choose 3 drinks because I don't want to drag the programming. So Pepsi equals to 102. So we are now telling the user what is the codes for each drinks. And the last one is Kikapu. So you can make any drinks, you can choose any drinks, any codes, but for me this is a bit easier. So now what we are going to do is, we want the user to enter the code. So for it we just set a variable, let's say code. So if you want the user to write something or type anything, you need to put input. After that you just write it lah. What will you like to have, or what will you like to order? Please enter the code. So this is some chances for the user to write the name of the drink. So what we are going to do is, we just going to put int, so it will, the programming will take only the numbers, won't take alphabets and decimal numbers. So for now we already finished, we done with input coding. Now we are going to do the confirmation coding. So normally in vending machine, if you select the code, you need to give the money and it will give you drink. But we did a little upgrade. If you want to put this upgrade in your coding, it's up to you. So in this upgrade we want to give the user a second chance. So let's say they want Pepsi, but they put the code for Kikapu, so they can rewrite their code if they want. So what we are going to do is we're just going to put if the code is once if the user put any of the code. So or you use or don't use and. If you use and, it will you need to uh, you need to put all the codes. So if they choose any of these codes, set the confirmation. You need to ask the user, do you want to confirm it? So you just put input and you can just put do you want to confirm it? So to make it clear, you can put answer, because in our program we don't have any buttons or any selecting things. So for make it clear, you can put like this. So now what you want to do is you want to use while loop. So if the user type anything other than yes, you want to ask them what will you like to have. So this is like a loop, and you want to copy this also, and you want them to confirm again. So if they didn't write yes, the coding will ask the user to put code again, and it will ask to confirm again until they put yes. It will be looping. Okay. So you may ask, what if they didn't put those codes? Well, you need to put S for it. You can just exit if they didn't put all the codes. So now we're done with the confirmation coding. So we just save it to make it run. So as you can see, it is printing the hello welcome. After that, it is printing those codes. After that, it asks user to enter the code. So let's say if I put 101, it will ask the user to confirm it again. If I put yet no, it will ask to enter the code again. So until you put yes, it will be like looping and looping. So if you put yes, it will eventually stop. So I hope you understand the programming until now. If you like this video, please share it, and please like to the video and subscribe to my channel. So bye for now. Bye.